folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the refurbished and repaired HAWKER Hunter that I got and see if we can't have some fun with her. Last time I've only flown her one time. That was the maiden, and when I landed the very first time I didn't realize that I had twisted the nose gear, and then and the second landing I went ahead and stripped that nose gear, didn't realize it, and that's why I lost my steering. Well, they have metal gears and all the control surfaces, but however the nose gear, they have just a real cheap plastic gear. So anyways, so I replaced that with a nice new gear, and it's a nice Spektrum servo. I was able to, hold on just a second folks, I was doing a range test real quick. I was able to shave a small amount of foam in the forward compartment of the battery bay in order to move the battery forward a little more, because even with the supplied weight that they give you, that they have in the tail, she's really tail heavy. And so I was able to move the weight forward, actually hot glued it up in the cavern where the nose gear folds up into, and put, of course, the heavier servo, and I was able to put that weight up there up front and put that servo up front, so that gave me a little more weight. But anyways, let's see, make sure our control surfaces are the way they need to be. Okay, up, down, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, well, wind is kind of cross breeze, so we're running we're gonna take off in mid rates, which I believe, hold on, let me see what my mid rates are, is 80 over 30. So that's 80% over 30% expo. So let's see what that does for me. She still seems awfully tail heavy to me. Yeah, still seems awfully tail heavy. Yeah, still seems awfully tail heavy. Well, maybe not too terribly bad. Well, yeah. Well, still has, oh, landing gear is all bent to you know what. It's really too windy. Let's see what kind of damage we got here. It's all landing gear damage. Yeah, that one's turned. Well, you know what, just turn though. I can just tighten that grub screw up. So, and that one's fine. Well, we'll have to tighten that grub screw up. Well, back to the drawing board. I know I don't have the proper Allen wrench with me today to tighten that up, so anyways, all right, well folks, it's just really too windy to fly anything. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hey, does the landing gear go in? It does, which is something to be said for a Dynam. All right, well thank you so much folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.